Welcome to Parry Sound.
Parry Sound is a beautiful town on the shore of Georgian Bay. It's a boater's paradise. It can be explored via sailboats, canoes, kayaks, or motorboats. It's part of the world's largest freshwater archipelago of 30,000 islands. Explore it on your own or take a cruise on the Island Queen. From our tranquil waterfront to our bustling downtown that really comes to life in the summer, we have wonderful shops for picking up souvenirs, fashion, or lovely items to outfit your home and cottage. We also have a ton of delightful restaurants with local and exotic flavors. Many of the 7 provincial parks and hiking trails are open all year for walking, biking, and riding your UTV or snowmobile. The most famous citizen of Parry Sound is the hockey legend Bobby Orr. There's of course our famous tower. You can't beat the view of the bay from up there. Parry Sound is filled with beautiful secret spots. Secret spots for a picnic, a family day at the beach, docks, and boat ramps to help you explore the waters. Come to Parry Sound and find your forever escape.